Welcome to the Avalon International Airshow 2019, and we're here. It's so hot, 36 degrees, but it's going to be a great day. We've got the Chinooks behind us, we've got everything here. So stay tuned. There's a lot of planes, there's not much talking, it's all air displays. If you're into planes and all that sort of stuff, this is it, right, Libby?
Yeah.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Do we need an ice cream?
Yeah.
Does Daddy need a beer?
No.
Daddy needs a beer. All right, stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Ah! No, my camera.
Oh, well.
I got so many cameras on me. Whew. Ah! Actually, that felt good. We're going. Stay tuned. Enjoy the show.
Commando soldiers. Some equipment could be anywhere from a tank, jeep, to quad bikes, even helicopters. Been known to travel in the back. It's going to pull up in the shortest possible time. Again, minimising time on the ground.
Ladies and gentlemen, if I can now direct your attention to the left, to the south.
This is something really special to see. You won't see this every day. It's once in a lifetime. So.
So that they can go do their thing. Once they're clear, the loadmasters are then ensuring that the rest of the load or anything else on the aircraft is well strapped down, so there's no centre of gravity issues as the aircraft departs. While that's occurring, the flight deck crew, the pilots, they're going through their takeoff performance and doing a few more procedures. So right now they'll be making sure there's enough runway to depart. You'll probably see lead at least reverse up a little bit, but they'll take off within about 2,000 feet. And similar to the C-17, you'll see a quite steep departure just to get outside of the small arms threat zone. Enough, but couple that with night ops and night vision goggles, it gets pretty dynamic pretty quickly.
Dash 2 or the second aircraft there getting airborne.
minutes around the next corner.
United States Air Force. As the pilot comes in,
we found a Polish stand at in the Avalon Airshow. I think you have a cake for us.
Last one.
Yes.
Here you go.
Thank you. Nice.
Thank you. Yeah, last one.
Nice.
We're lucky.
Oh.
Are you happy to share your last
Can't believe we found a Polish stand at the Avalon Airshow. What's your name?
Alexandra?
Alexandra from Poland. Yeah.
Good vlog.
this effort demonstrated the United States commitment to the ever-strengthening conservation. Watch now as Major Gunderson approaches from the right and begins a level 360-degree turn, short center, followed by climb back into the vertical using maximum afterburn. Of flight and the capabilities of military flight, combatants and sport aircraft combined.